And here we have it. 2018 2070 cc Roughneck Heavy Duty Edition. Mercury 110 jet. Custom rod rack that I built, painted, mounted. That white strip is a black light. Goes almost all the way up to the front of the boat and then down around the back. That is for the Bass Pro, I believe they are Cat Buster rods with 60-pound slime line. Black lights actually make that line glow. They look like little laser beams coming off the back of the boat. Is pretty neat. Like I said, center console. Getting it ready to launch in Marietta. And gotta get all the knots out of the rope here. And then I'll show you how I set everything up. A couple things I don't know if you can see there. Minn Kota 70-pound thrust, 24-volt trolling motor. Was a birthday present when I bought the boat from my beautiful woman. Had that mounted for surprise for my birthday. If you look back at the center console on top, there are little lights mounted. Use those for running at night. So, undo everything on the front of the boat. There's a little ring up there bolted on to hold the boat on your trailer. Unhook everything and hook your rope up. And I take all my rope and set it up into the front of the boat. Make sure there's no knots. That's where my rope's tied together. Make sure there's no knots in your rope. Then what I like to do is I will hook the other end to the tongue of the trailer. So when you back your boat down into the water and it comes off the trailer, it doesn't float away. Now make sure all your rope is up on your boat or the back of your truck, or you're going to end up running it over and losing it.